House for rent in Pandak, in Kediri, Tabanan, Bali. 15 minutes to Seseh Beach. Strategic location and wide road that can fit 2 cars. The house has a garage and the house is livable. The front of the house looks neat and the house faces east. Let's take a look inside. The living room is quite spacious and bright, with lots of windows. The house has 2 connected bedrooms. There is also a dining room, separate from the kitchen. This is the first bedroom, with windows facing the front yard. This is the second bedroom. Windows overlook the backyard. The bedrooms are connected to each other. There is 1 bathroom. The house uses drilled well water. This is the kitchen room, located at the back and quite spacious. There is a side door connected to the garage. Strategic location, 11 minutes to Tanah Lot, 12 minutes to Kedungu Beach, 15 minutes to Nuanu Beach Club, 15 minutes to Seseh Beach, 22 minutes to Canggu, 30 minutes to Batu Belig. Hurry, first come first served. House for rent in Pandak, Tabanan, Bali. 15 minutes to Nuanu Beach Club. Come on, check the location and book.